Hi, Zane. I'm hosting a small dinner at my place this Saturday at 7. Would you like to come?
Hi, Maya. Thank you so much for the invite. I'd love to come. What time should I arrive?
Around 7 is perfect. It's a relaxed evening, nothing formal.
Sounds wonderful. Do you want me to bring anything, like a drink or dessert?
If you'd like, bring a bottle of sparkling juice or a dessert, but please don't worry. Your company is enough.
Okay, I'll bring a dessert. Are there any dietary restrictions I should know about?
Yes. Thanks for checking. I have a friend who's vegetarian, and I'm allergic to shellfish. So, no shellfish, please.
Got it. Vegetarian friendly and no shellfish. Also, is it okay if I bring a plus one?
Of course. Bring your partner if you'd like. Should I set an extra place?
Yes, please. That would be helpful. By the way, what's the dress code?
Casual is fine. Comfy clothes. Nothing fancy required.
Perfect. One more thing. How should I RSVP, text or email?
A quick text is great. Could you confirm by Friday? I'm finalizing the menu.
I'll confirm by Friday. If anything changes, I'll let you know earlier. Thanks for the heads up.
Thanks. If you can't make it, it's okay. Just a quick message is enough. No hard feelings.
Oh, by the way, since it's Thursday and I'm planning ahead, I also wanted to invite you to my cousin's birthday next month. It's a small party on the 12th. Would you like to come?
Thanks for inviting me. I'd love to, but I may be out of town that weekend. Could I let you know in a few days?
Sure. Could you let me know by Tuesday? I need to confirm numbers. If you can't make it, would you like me to drop off a card?
If I can't come, a card would be lovely. Thanks. And if I can make it, what should I bring?
A small gift would be lovely, but don't feel pressured. A card is perfectly fine.
Great. I'll decide closer to the date. By the way, what's the dress code?
It's casual, nothing formal. Also, small snacks to share are welcome if you'd like.
That helps, since I might not be sure until closer to the date.
Tuesday morning.
Hi, Zane. Good morning. About your cousin's party on the 12th? I can make it. Thanks for inviting me.
Amazing. I'm so glad you can come. That helps with the head count.
What time should I arrive? And, do you want me to bring anything?
We'll start around 7. A small gift or a card would be lovely. And if you want to bring a snack to share, that's welcome.
Perfect. I'll bring a small plant as a gift and a dessert that's vegetarian friendly. Is that okay?
That's perfect. Thank you. No shellfish at the table, right?
Right. No shellfish. Also, is the place family friendly? I might bring my niece.
Totally family friendly. Bring her. Do tell me her age so I can set a plate.
She's 6. Thanks. I'll bring a small treat for kids, too. Do you need my plus one's name?
If you're bringing someone, just text their name. I'll add them to the list.
Will do. See you on the 12th, and thanks again for inviting me.